welcome back to my channel. Today it's another recipe video for you all. But before we get started, thank you so much for all your response for my last video. Keep supporting me, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Today's recipe is one of my favorite. It's a waffle sandwich. Let's check out the ingredients. First of all, we'll marinate the prawns with some salt and some ground pepper, chili flakes, and some white pepper. I'm using Cajun, but if you have some mixed herbs, you can add it. And then some chopped garlic. Mix well. Now I'm going to divide it into two portions. One is going to be a deep fried tempura and one is going to be the grilled prawns. Take a half lemon, squeeze it, mix well, and then keep them for marinate for 10 minutes. Then we're going to make a prawn tempura. For that you need 1 egg white. Beat until the egg whites soften and fluffy. As you can see, it's fluffy now. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornflour into that. Just give a smooth mix. If not, don't mix it too much. Just fold and cut. That's it. Now dip the prawn into the batter and then cover it with breadcrumbs. Nicely coated with the breadcrumbs, and then heat the oil and fry it. The prawn tempura is ready. Keep aside. Now we'll grill the prawns. For that, take the grill pan, drizzle some oil, place the prawn onto that, don't overcook the prawns, if not it will be very rubbery, just for 5 minutes. And that's it, the grilled prawns are ready. Now we'll make the waffle batter. And for that you need 2 eggs, I'm adding 1 cup of wheat flour along with the milk. Mix it well, and then add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix well. If you want to make it flavorful, just add some white and black pepper powder, some chili flakes. It could enhance the flavor. And then add salt to taste. Mix it again and the batter is ready. Apply some oil into the waffle maker to avoid the stickiness. And now pour the batter. Make sure you do not overflow. If not, it will be very soggy and thick. Add just a little amount. Like this. Cover and cook for about 12 minutes. And the waffles are ready now. Let's make the sandwich. Take one waffle, apply some butter, take the lettuce, and then top it with tempura prawns. And as usual, topping with the vegetables, onion rings, tomato slices, and I'm adding some pickles and slice of cheese. To make it more tastier, I'm adding the mayonnaise and some tomato ketchup. Sprinkle with some black pepper powder. And that's it. The waffle sandwich is ready. And let's make the other sandwich in this way. It's very easy, girls, and yummy too. And I'm making the grilled prawn sandwich the same way. Do you want to give it a change in your regular sandwiches? You can try this waffle sandwich. You would like it. Want to have a refreshing drink with this waffle sandwich? I'll show you how to make watermelon mojito. These are the ingredients you need. Add the watermelon pieces along with the ice cubes. And now I'm going to add half a cup of soda. If you do want, you can add chilled water. Mix it well. Take few mint leaves, some lemon slices, crush it, and then take a glass jar, add the crushed mint and lemon slices, and I have soaked some chia seeds for about 2 hours. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of that into the bottle. And then pour the juice into the bottle. That's it, guys. The refreshing watermelon mojito is ready. I hope you all like this video. Definitely give a try on this recipe, and don't forget to comment your thoughts and suggestions for me. See you soon with my next recipe video. Till then, take care. Have a safe and blessed Ramadan.